I need some corner molding for a project. Went to Home Depot. Turned out the cost is prohibitive. I need about 30 feet of outside corner molding and about 70 feet of internal quarter round. It will cost me at least $250 plus tax. But if I make them from 2x6, the material cost is probably around $20 to $30. The first step is to break 2x6 into 1x1 sticks. The outside corner molding is very simple. All I need to do is just make 2 cuts on the table saw. I made the cut depths to 5/8 of an inch. 30 feet of outside corner molding took me about 15 minutes to finish. The internal quarter round is a little bit more involving. I mounted a 1¼ inch round nose router bit on my router table. Since the cutting depth is about 5/8 of an inch, I cannot just do it in one shot. That will cause the wood to chip. So I did about a 1/4 inch cut for each pass. The cuts turned out to be very clean. After some light sanding, it's all done. Here is the final results. Look nice, right?